So in this video we will learn about memory layout of a program. What is memory layout of a program? Let's suppose we have a file which is hello.cpp. Let's suppose we have hello.cpp. So we write a code inside this. So firstly we will run the code, then the code get compiled. Okay, then it get assembled, it converted to assembly code, then it get executed. Okay, so execute the program you have written. So we will learn about this in more detail. So what we basically have is, let's suppose I will create the structure of your code. Line, we create the structure of our code. So we need a dotted line actually. Do we have a dotted line? Okay, so let's see now. So what we have here is, we have the, first of all we have text, the text of our code, which is basically in form of code segment. Then we have here our initialized variables. Initialized variables. Like we have variable which are global variable, local variable, static variables. So we have this. The initialized variables are basically, if I show you, so this is basically a initialized global variable. Okay, so that that was our initialized global variable, and this is our section of uninitialized variables. Okay, so this is basically known as BSS, which is block started by symbol. Block started by symbol. Like if you have a line which is started by symbol but not initialized, so we will call it block started by symbol, which is BSS, and it can be global and static also. Then we have the space for heap. What heap do? Heap basically store the dynamic memory in your code. Dynamic memory. Then we have stack. So what stack do? When you make recursive calls, so when you make recursive calls, you have to come back to your initial position from where you started by collecting all the data you collected in multiple calls. So all that multiple calls data is collecting to that stack. Okay, like we know the example of Fibonacci number. When we go down, 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 we need the upper number. So that's what stack do is recursive calls, and the our upper is like command. This is command box. Here we store command arguments, which is basically for Linux. You can search more about command arguments on Google, which is basically x200, x300, these kind of command lines which are used in Linux system. Okay, so this is for this video. Thanks for watching.